So I wanted to do a quick review of this. These are $189 at Lowe's right now, and it's a 5-drawer. It's got 100-pound slides. Now I was looking at Home Depot has the Husky version, but it's 4 drawers, and they're 50-pound. I'm not sure if that's really going to be an issue. It's I don't know. It doesn't come with any drawer liners. The guy told me it does. It comes with a liner for the top. These cheesy casters, they're okay. I'm not impressed with them. I've seen better crap on Harbor Freight. In fact, there's one right there. So I've got a few Harbor Freight boxes. What I wanted to do was get another Husky box and put one of my top boxes on it. I have a detached garage. I cannot wheel a big box out here. There's no pavement to the garage. It's a mess. So anyways, I picked this up. It was $209 with tax. And I would say that the quality is nice, I guess, on some of it. Some of the Harbor Freight ones use plastic on here instead of metal. I think maybe this one's metal. This is the cheapest Harbor Freight service cart. And I just got it underneath my workbench. But that one right here, I believe it's plastic. And yeah, I can't get it to focus. You know, you buy a $900 phone. What do you think it would focus? Okay, anyways, this box isn't too bad. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. But it's like a lot of their other boxes. It's got fake chrome. And I don't like that, but it's also got the slides. So basically, I just don't have enough room for everything. I've got all this crap in here. And I can't put anything in here because it's too short. And I need to stand up all my stuff. And this is an old box. And try to keep my metric and my standard separated. And this is just a bunch of crap that doesn't seem to want to fit anywhere else. And I'm like absolutely overloaded in here. Ugh. So my solution is I need like a couple of these kind of boxes. So at $209, this might be a pretty good deal. I don't know. Anyway, I don't like the casters. I can tell you that right now. I would prefer the other type of lock, but it doesn't matter. If somebody wants to get in here, they're going to get in there. The slides. What do you say? They look like the ones that are on the Harbor Freight ones, which aren't bad. But at this price point, the only thing I could get at Harbor Freight was like a 9-drawer one that would sit up, like to here. And I just don't want to spend $300 on something with a couple more drawers. So anyway, I'm going to get these on here and we'll see what it looks like. Wow, you've got to be kidding me. This has got to be the cheapest crap I've ever seen. They want us to use these to hold these casters on here. You're going to give me tapping screws? And aren't supposed to screw them to the bottom of this piece of junk? Wow. Yeah, that's not good. You gotta be kidding me. So this just gets weirder and weirder. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not really sure what these are for. I'm gonna have to look at the really small instruction manual. I'm gonna guess Well, these are probably supposed to go here and here. Line up like that. Just a good guess would say that's probably what it is. They give it some structural integrity. So let's see, what does the Craftsman manual say? Well, this video just ended up being a lot longer than I thought it would be. We're already over 5 minutes into it, so I don't end up editing it. It shows you this deal here, man. Usually there's like a bunch of words. This is written for the millennials. It's nothing but pictures. I was looking at some other ones in Lowe's. I was like, man, there's no writing in here. There's no specifications. It's all pictures. This one's not as bad. So it says, the maximum weight for each drawer should not be more than 100 pounds. The maximum static rating, including content, should be no more than 650 pounds. And it's probably the casters. So, it's a typical rating for a 5-drawer box, what I've seen, for, you know, these homeowner type of deals. Assembly. So, let's see here. Basically, attach the side handle, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to put that on there. Maintenance. It's got a 10-year warranty, though. I mean, like, heck, I don't know how hard it is to warranty something through Lowe's, but it's sure a lot easier than dealing with Sears, because they don't exist, really. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, well, so that's how it's supposed to go. Yeah, some kind of structural support on the inside there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure these will probably work, but they're not as good as the Harbor Freight ones at all. Not even close. So the Harbor Freight ones, they're at least not made out of hard plastic. This is hard plastic. That's hard rubber. And these just get scuffy and make that really crappy noise when you roll them across the shop. And they're just cheap. So I like the other kind. It probably, had I known that, I wouldn't have even bought this thing, because I don't like that. That's the first thing that jumps out about this thing, is these cheap ass casters with little chrome covers. So anyway, we'll flip this thing up and figure out what the hell I'm going to do with it. All right, well, there it is. Now, one thing that's kind of cool, it's got this lip here. I mean, I'm not a really big, strong guy or anything, but I was able to pick this thing up and just raw dog it right onto its bottom. So, it's 105 pounds, and I picked it up, you know, just, I didn't have to slip it around on anything. So that's why I bought this, because of the fact that, like, getting anything out here is difficult. So, my old box I had weighed over 300 pounds. And when I quit my job, I got rid of it before I left work. So, anyway, this is the Lowe's 5-drawer, $189, 100-pound sliders. And I guess it's all right for the price. I think maybe for a few bucks more, you could probably get something else at Harbor Freight. They don't really offer one in this dimension, but they do offer other ones. And so, don't know. I guess it's an okay box, so we'll see. It's not going to really move around much. It's just going to go back over here on the wall somewhere, and one of these other boxes will sit on top of it. So, thanks for watching, guys.